In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Shopify store to use an international business entity and activate Shopify payments with matching business details. First, open Chrome and begin by incorporating a legal business identity in a supported market, such as a US LLC or a UK Ltd. The goal here is to create a real recognized company structure in a country that Shopify payments supports. As you go through this process, make sure the information you use is accurate and consistent because these details will need to match across your store, tax records, and banking setup later on. Take your time when entering your company information and keep copies of any formation documents in a secure place since you may need them during verification. Once your company is officially formed, the next step is to secure an official business tax identification number. This is important because it helps establish your business as a legitimate legal entity for financial and payment processing purposes. Depending on the market where your company is registered, this may be issued by the local tax authority. Make sure you wait until the number is officially assigned and documented before moving forward, since using incomplete or inconsistent records can cause delays during verification. After that, open a digital business bank account that matches your new company details. You can use a business banking platform such as Mercury or Wise as long as the account is opened under the same legal business name and associated with the same registration information. This part matters because Shopify Payments typically checks whether the banking information aligns with the business identity you provide. When setting up the account, confirm that the legal business name, company address, and tax details are all entered exactly as they appear on your official documents. With your company and bank account ready, go into your Shopify store settings and update the store address so that it mirrors your newly acquired international corporate address. This is a key consistency step. Your store information should reflect the same business address tied to your registered company and banking records. Even small mismatches in formatting can sometimes trigger review issues, so it helps to keep everything